Today we are making dairy-free and gluten-free buffalo chicken salad burrito. Fresh, flavorful, and ready to enjoy right away. All right, let's get cooking. Welcome to Gabby You Healthy Kitchen. Let's get cooking and make something delicious. Here is a quick look at everything you will need for this recipe. Let's gather our ingredients and get started. So we're gonna start with seasoning our chicken thighs. So I'm having to add the garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and some salt. And black pepper and olive oil. All right, let's cook this chicken. So cook them in a skillet or a pan like this. And you cook to about 5 to 6 minutes per side. There we go. So you have it cook until they look like this, golden and fully cooked. Look at that, so beautiful. And then you just transfer it out from the stove. And then just let it cool down. Next, slice or shred the pieces of the chicken. And here we go, all done. All right, let's make our dairy-free ranch. So into the dairy-free yogurt, you add the apple cider vinegar. And you can use lemon juice if you want to, but I use apple cider vinegar for this video. And you add the garlic powder, onion powder, salt, dried dill, then mix thoroughly. Thin it with water until it is the consistency you like. I did not add water as I like the consistency like this, so you will just have to figure out what you like better, okay? Now add all the vegetables together, the lettuce, your carrot, celery, cucumbers, soak sun-dried tomatoes. Yes. Yep. That's it. And the sliced chicken. Yeah. Look at that. There you go. And now let's add the red hot sauce. This is gonna be this buffalo sauce. Red hot sauce. And mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. There you go. And then add a bit of honey or maple syrup, which is optional, but it balances the tangy, spicy flavors in the hot sauce. Okay, and just mix it up again. And if you are still watching, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, thanks. All right, let's keep going. All right, warm your tortillas. Especially if they are grain-free, warming them makes it more pliable and easier to fold. So, this is required. All right, work time. Now layer your tortilla with the veggies and the buffalo chicken, your dairy-free ranch. Sprinkle some dairy-free cheese. I use the Daiya brand, and then fold it up into a burrito. Sometimes this could be difficult, but hey, just do the best as you can. Okay? And here we go. And you just keep the same process, put all that, put your ranch, put the cheese again there, fold it up into a burrito. All right. Just keep doing that till you fold every tortilla you have. Here we go. Your dairy-free and gluten-free buffalo chicken salad burrito is ready, and I'm ready to dig in. Oh, this is so delicious. It's making me to dance. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty meals from Gabby U Healthy Kitchen. See you next time. Bye.